Alright, this video is for what to do when you are done with all the assignments. Okay, so this video will be under the resources you'll need this week. There will also be different documents, much like our assignments, but there will be different activities that you can do. In order to get to those activities, you'll go to VEX VR Code, you'll click Activities, and then when you scroll down, you'll see different activities. Now obviously some of them are ones that we've done, but many of them we haven't. Okay, some of them are definitely more complicated, but some of them are pretty easy as well. So click on one, check out the playground, read what you want or what you're supposed to do during each level, look at any helpful hints, and then maybe other challenges they might have. Okay. You don't have to do the levels in order necessarily. You can always jump around or take a look and then realize you want to do a different one or something like that. So there will be multiple listed, again under resources, probably towards the bottom down here underneath these, but those are for what you can do when you are done with all of the assignments in or outside of class.